Hey guys, it's Megan. I'm back with a Dollar Tree review, and I have this 6 bulbs of Gladiolus, and it looks like this. Really pretty, like mixture of colors. It says plant now for summer blooms. It says easy to grow, and we just used a 1-pound bag of the Dollar Tree potting soil mix. I didn't use anything special like Miracle Grow or anything like that, and we planted them about 3 weeks ago. We used our own pot, and they're actually doing fantastic, and they just look like this. I need to plant the rest of these because let me tell you, these things look fantastic. They look like this. They don't have any blooms yet, but they are growing. I mean, it looks like I've had these for like months. I mean, they just popped up like amazingly, and I've just been keeping them outside. I haven't really been watering them because I live in Georgia and we've been getting a lot of rain lately. But if you live in a drier climate, you might just want to water them every day. But yeah, they're doing fantastic, and I couldn't be happier with them. My husband and I were talking about how great these were. I mean, for $1 for 6 bulbs, and they're doing amazingly. And yeah, great deal right there. I'm going to buy more of those. And then I just wanted to show you an update on my Impatients. I got a whole bunch of these Impatients, and I've just been kind of scattering them throughout my yard. They do like shade. I've had Impatients a lot. My parents have Impatients, and they do really well in shade or partial shade. I planted them right here, and I'm getting some little sprouts right here, and I just put some Dollar Tree potting soil right here, and there's some weeds mixed in. I probably should have used a weed barrier, but they're not doing as well as the Gladiolus, but they're doing all right. And as you know, Impatients, they come back every year. They're perennials, so yeah, doing pretty good with those. And like I said, we've been getting a lot of rain here in Georgia, so I haven't really had to come outside and water them, but I'm very happy with those as well. So yeah, if you happen to go to the Dollar Tree and you want something easy, and you don't want to have to go to Home Depot and get trays and have to plant all of them, this is a good thing. We didn't even plant these, we just sprinkled them. So yeah, that's a very good alternative to breaking your back and having to, you know, use the trays of the Impatients just to sprinkle them in a really fertile area. Obviously, we have a lot of red clay here in Georgia, like over here, so I wouldn't recommend planting them there, but like over here, like where you have a lot of the really fertile dirt, is a good place. So yeah, I'm very happy with my Gladiolus and my Impatients. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. And the potting soil was really good. $1 for a pound. I think that's pretty good, but hey, I don't know. I might be wrong. I haven't gone to Home Depot recently, so I don't know how much potting soil is. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be planting some more of those Gladiolus. I might put some more down by my mailbox. I do have some roses down there, so we shall see. So anyway, yeah, this is my setup. So I just think these are gorgeous. Love those colors. You know what else lasts for a really long time? I actually got these for Mother's Day like 4 years ago. These are Tigerlilys, and they come back every year, and they just get bigger and bigger every year. So if you happen to see these at Kroger or Publix or any of those grocery stores, get the Tigerlilys because they are just gorgeous. They haven't bloomed yet, they get bigger and bigger every year and they spread. So, yeah, those are a good flower to have if you just want something that's like no nonsense. So, yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my success with my Dollar Tree plants. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.